Today I will tell you about fluid connective tissue. But before to tell you about fluid connective tissue, I would like to tell you about the differences between cartilage and bone first. Difference between cartilage and bone. Cartilage is avascular, aneural and lymphatic connective tissue, whereas bone is vascular, neural and lymphatic connective tissue. Cartilage is semi-rigid, whereas bone is rigid. Cartilage matrix is demineralized, whereas bone matrix is mineralized. The fluid filled cavity of cartilage is in scattered form, whereas fluid filled cavity of bone is in concentric ring form. In each lacunae of cartilage, either one chondrocyte is present or in a group of 2 to 8 chondrocyte is present, whereas in each lacunae of bone only one osteocyte is present. Now come on the discussion of fluid connective tissue. Blood is called fluid connective tissue. Why blood is called fluid connective tissue? Blood is called fluid connective tissue because of three reasons. First, the matrix of blood is in fluid state, meaning in liquid state. Second, like all other connective tissue, blood has also mesodermal origin. Third, like other connective tissue, blood also connects body system. Blood. Composition of blood. Blood is made up of two components, namely plasma and formed elements. Plasma is the matrix of blood, which is in fluid state, and formed element is the cells of blood, which is in solid state. Plasma. Plasma is a straw-colored viscous fluid made up of 90 to 92% water, 6 to 8% proteins, 0.9% inorganic and 0.1% organic. Plasma constitute 55% of the blood composition. Formed elements. RBC, WBC and platelets are called the formed elements of blood. It is also called blood corpuscles. Let's know about RBC, WBC and platelets togetherly in the form of differences. The number of RBC in per cubic millimeter blood is 5 to 5.5 millions. The number of WBC in per cubic millimeter blood is 6,000 to 8,000. The number of platelets in per cubic millimeter of blood is 1,50,000 to 3,50,000. The average lifespan of RBC is 100 to 120 days. The average lifespan of WBC is 5 to 21 days. The average lifespan of platelets is 3 to 5 days. The size of RBC is 6 to 8 micrometer. The size of WBC is 12 to 17 micrometer. The size of platelet is 2 to 3 micrometer. RBC is biconcave disc shaped. WBC is amoeboid shaped. Platelet is biconvex shaped. Matured human RBC does not contain nucleus. WBC contains nucleus. Platelets doesn't have nucleus. The function of RBC is to transport gases. The function of WBC is to provide defense, and the function of platelet is to help in blood clot formation. The formed elements of blood constitute 45% of the blood composition. In the next lecture video, I will tell you about lymph. Thanks now.